Lately, I've been thinking a lot about what it means to start over. Not dramatically, not burning it all down and running away, but quietly, rebuilding my life from the ground up in the place I already live. Starting November 1st, I'm giving myself 1 year to recreate my life. One slow, structured, stubborn year. It starts here, in the small, ordinary rituals. This is my Sunday reset, canning tomato sauce for winter, cleaning up the garden, walking the dog, tending to the house. I want my days to feel full but never frantic, productive but still peaceful.
These marigolds are doing okay because they were sheltered. I'm still going to cut them because they will die. Oh, they smell great. Sad to see summer go away. I made a list of everything I want to change, or maybe reclaim this year. I want to pay off debt. I want to get strong again, move my body every day, stretch, drink water, and go back to yoga. I want to stop eating out just because I'm tired, and start meal prepping so the future version of me has one less thing to worry about. I want my home to feel alive again, furnished and organized and functional. A place that takes care of me because I take care of it.
This is the 1-year rebuild. Finances, health, home, creativity, and relationships. I've broken it down into phases, projects, and habits, but the real secret is in the daily rhythm. Drink water, stretch, walk the dogs, journal, do the dishes, pay something down. A quiet checklist for becoming someone steadier. On TikTok, I'll be posting daily progress, cozy accountability, little wins, and a real talk about what it takes to rebuild. Every like or comment equals 1 cent I'll send as a micropayment towards debt. The daily journey lives there. But YouTube is where the story lives. Here, I'll share the deeper version. Weekly videos every Sunday, one slow living moment at a time. Long form reflections, projects, home updates, and with seasonal stories. And once every quarter, a full check-in on the Recreate Myself challenge, what's working, what's not, and how much closer I am to the life I want to live. Some changes will be practical, overhauling my budget, setting up auto investments, and finishing the library renovations. Others will be quieter, learning patience, discipline, gentleness. Growth takes warmth, light, and constant care. This project isn't about chasing perfection. It's about maintenance, about finally doing the things I've been meaning to for years, like defrosting the freezer and repairing the shelf that's been broken since spring, or sticking to my routines long enough for them to matter.
leave the ducks alone, please, okay? You gotta leave them alone. They're literally not doing anything to you. They're just existing.
For 12 months, I'll document every small shift, every cozy act of discipline that turns chaos into calm. And if you're on your own version of this journey, I hope these videos remind you that rebuilding doesn't have to be loud. It can look like folding laundry on time, or cooking from your pantry, or paying off one tiny bill. Slow living is still living, and small progress is still progress. Welcome to the Recreate Myself project. 1 year of slow consistency, gentle ambition, and cozy accountability. New videos every Sunday. I'll see you next week and every week after as we see what a year of showing up can really do.